Hey there. So I thought I would do a quick studio tour today since I'm asked where I work, what kind of space I have. I don't have a traditional kind of artist space. I'm just not comfortable with a hard concrete floor and the really tall ceilings and all the echoing. I'll just give you a quick little tour of where I work. So I have a fairly unique octagon shaped studio space. And I've got quite a few windows, and so it's really comfortable. I have kind of a neutral color walls and some nice commercial like carpet, so I don't have all the echoing. I have my drafting area over here, which is where I usually do watercolor. I can bring my table up higher so I can work standing, or I can work sitting down. And it's just a pretty comfortable space. I've got stuff everywhere. It's organized, but I got a lot of it. So I like to hang paintings that I have hanging around all over until I sell them. So this is some of my jewelry and a couple of sculptures. Some little dog sculptures that I've done. And this is some of my handmade jewelry. So I like to hang everything up. This over here is my easel. This is where I do oil painting, all my finger painting. And I have this handy little table where I have all of my paints. And then over here is just some storage of lots of art materials and books and things. And here's some sculpting that I've done. So, which is something that I really enjoy doing as well. And then over here is more of my massive amounts of storage. And my flat files and folders. And since my studio is octagon shape, I have kind of a big empty area in the middle. So I can bring my little sculpture station, which is right here. And I can bring that out in the middle whenever I want to work on that. Here's one that I have at work right now. So she's kind of partially done. So someday I will bring her back out and finish. And that's pretty much the nickel and dime tour of my studio space. It's just a little intimate space where I feel comfortable working, and I'm happy to show it to you today. So I hope you'll come back and see what's on my easel next time, and because I'd love to share it with you. If you want to see more of my work, please go to my website, lauriehumble.com. That's LaurieHumble.com. And I'd love to have you join my art group. I have a Facebook art group, and you can also, from my website, download my free ebook. It's got a lot of paintings with quotes, and I'll be having some more things there soon as well. Also, I'm going to be offering courses that you can take, and those will be available on my website as well. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.